Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lena. I just got back from a research trip. I'm a marine biologist and I have a day off. So I'm going to use it glamming up and organizing. I'm basically going to do some self-care treatments like getting my nails done and getting a facial. And then I'm going to clean my room. I just moved and I just went on this trip. So I have boxes in my room and things that need to be put away. So it's like a productive, relaxing restart. Also, I'm going to go spend some time with my mom. She normally gets her nails done, and so I invited her, but she actually got them done recently, so she's just gonna tag along. The first thing I'm going to do is make a smoothie, because that's a really refreshing way to start the day. Today I'm making a banana, blueberry, and protein smoothie with spinach, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and almond milk. Other days I like to eat avocado toast with eggs or eggs with mushrooms and vegetables. But today I wanted a healthy, thick green smoothie. I'm going to go see my mom now, and I have my smoothie. Hi, Mom.
Hi, daughter. We're going to get Helena's nails done.
Every once in a while, I think it's really nice to treat myself out and take a break from being productive. It also felt really nice spending time with my mom and prioritizing her, as well as seeing my hands and feet get cleaned and freshened up. After I got my nails done, my mom and I walked over to Marshall's because I wanted to grab a few things for my room. And as we were there, she told me that she was willing to get me a few things for Christmas.
Do you want this?
It looks better on you.
This one.
Ooh, that one's actually kind of cool.
You want it?
No.
Bye, Marlena babies. I love you and Merry Christmas.
I just pulled up to the spa where I'm getting my facial. I don't really feel comfortable just vlogging inside, so I'll see you in a little bit. The salon was really nice. They offered me wine and tea, and the beds were really beautiful, and the lady was very, very nice and professional. I just got done with my facial. They extracted everything. My face looks worse than it did when I went in because she extracted pores that were filled with sebum that like you couldn't see before, and so like my face is really bright in areas where she extracted, but she said it'll go away. Whatever. It's time to get some food. I decided to make some easy, healthy nachos by adding cheese, avocado, tomato, cilantro, and black beans on top of chips. After that meal, I accidentally took a little nap. So yeah, I'm going to get started on my cleaning now. As you can see, my face looks like it healed during my hour nap. I think the lady was trying to explain that to me, that the peel helps to accelerate the healing process and it helps to really close any pores that were opened during extraction. So there's a huge difference from a few hours ago to now. Now it's time to clean up my room. Let me show you. So like I said, I moved recently, and that made, I put most of my stuff away, but there's still quite a few boxes and things that I need to put away. And then I just went on that trip and I just bought some things with my mom. So here you can see that I have a box. It was actually a lot cleaner before I went on the trip, but there's like my bag from the trip. Here's something that I got. And then before the trip, I kind of just threw a bunch of stuff down. So yeah, this is before. I actually put that up right when I got back home. This is something that I got with my mom today. And I was just trying to see what it would look like and if that was a good spot, and then I fell asleep. So yeah, so let's get started on the cleaning process. First things first, I'm going to wash this. I always wash any new blankets, towels, or clothes that I buy because they've been through a lot of processing during production, and being in the store, they could have bacteria, fungus, or chemicals that are harmful to the skin. Right now, I'm folding up this purple blanket that my sister gave to me to borrow when I first moved into this apartment, and I'm going to replace it with the white one my mom gave me. I replaced the yellow sheet that I had on here with this white. It's actually a shower curtain, but whatever, I wanted my room to be a little bit more themed, and I have a lot of white stuff now, so I thought white would be better. And then I bought this thing so that I can have space for stuff underneath and then like some plants for above. This is my dad, or part of him, I guess. Love you, Daddy. I also got this candle from Marshall's, and it smells so good. And I figured it's like in theme with my room, and I'm just trying to do a nice decorating job. I found some chocolate, so I need to take a break. I'm going to start putting everything on the bed so that I can just like have it be my space of I need to put all these things away. So everything that's on the floor that needs to be put away is going on the bed. Vitamin gummies. Oh my gosh, no. It's officially been 2 hours and I have a lot left. My whole bed is still filled with stuff. I ended up going through some boxes that were in the living room, and so that took some time. But I'm gonna keep pushing even if it gets through the night, so yeah, let's keep going. I really enjoy cleaning. It always feels like I'm making space for a soothing and peaceful environment. As I clear away clutter, I also clear space in my head and allow room for ideas, positive thoughts, and action. I love that cleaning allows me to see that little steps will eventually lead to a final product. I love the before and after of cleaning, and I think that it really trains my brain to recognize that I can accomplish things. I think it's funny how I'm only using one blanket here, but then in that one video that I made where I slept in my car, I have like 20 blankets, and I have a few people mention in the comments that I used way too many blankets. So I'm done with everything, and I'm going to do the montage of the before and after in the morning when the lighting's better. So yeah, I'm done for tonight. I think I'm going to make some dinner, kick it on the bed, and then maybe watch some Grey's Anatomy, because that's what I've been watching during the quarantine. What have you been watching? I'm just kidding. Alright, I'll see you later. that's it. That was my self-care and organizing day. I feel really refreshed. Today's the next day, and you can see my skin starting to look a little bit more clear. My scabs are starting to heal, so I'm happy about that. And I'm happy that I got my nails done. I think during my cleaning, I accidentally ruined my toenail. Don't mind my ingrown toenail and like my blisters from working, but whatever. I mean, stuff like that happens. So I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I hardly look at my toes anyways, and you can't really tell from a distance. I feel most satisfied with my room being completely cleaned, and I'm really happy that I finally finished unpacking my boxes for this move-in, and I'm happy to share my room. That's it. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.